some things to it. So I've added this sign, automatic gate, do not push or climb on gate. And there's a solar light above it, which automatically cuts on at night. I've added a couple of more lights around the area. And then the best thing ever that I added, and I installed this myself, is this automatic gate lock. So once the gate closes, either after the 2 minutes and it automatically closes, or if I press the remote, then it'll close and latch. So without further ado, we're not going to wait on the 2 minutes. Here it goes. And it is secure. Not going anywhere. Not by dog or human. Success. The end to Whiskey Gate.